Cakewalk versus Luna. Which recording software is better? Choosing the right recording software can completely change how you produce music without unnecessary complexity. Cakewalk offers a traditional DAW experience, while Luna provides deep integration with universal audio hardware. Cakewalk and Luna are two powerful recording software options for musicians and producers. The core difference is that Cakewalk is a versatile free DAW for Windows, while Luna is a macOS-only DAW designed to work seamlessly with Universal Audio's hardware ecosystem. Cakewalk by BandLab is a full-featured digital audio workstation available for Windows users at no cost. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools for recording, editing, mixing, and mastering music. Cakewalk supports VST plugins, MIDI sequencing, and unlimited audio tracks, making it suitable for a wide range of musical styles. Its interface is familiar to users of classic DAWs, offering deep customization and powerful editing features. Cakewalk's strengths include its zero price tag, extensive plugin compatibility, and robust MIDI capabilities. However, it requires a Windows system and may demand a steeper learning curve for beginners due to its professional-level tools. Ideal users are musicians and producers who want a free, versatile DAW with advanced features and who primarily work on Windows computers. Cakewalk is bill-suited for those who want flexibility without hardware dependency, making it a reliable choice for home studios and project-based workflows. Luna is a digital audio workstation developed by Universal Audio for macOS users, designed to integrate tightly with UA's audio interfaces and DSP hardware. It offers a natural analog-style recording experience with built-in tape emulation and console modeling, enhancing sound quality during tracking and mixing. Luna works by leveraging UA's hardware acceleration to reduce latency and provide real-time processing of plugins, which is a major strength for users invested in the UA ecosystem. The software supports multi-track recording, MIDI, and a range of native plugins optimized for UA hardware. However, Luna is limited to macOS and requires Universal Audio hardware to unlock its full potential, which can be a barrier for some users. Luna is ideal for professional producers and engineers who want a seamless hardware-software workflow and premium analog sound characteristics. It excels in studios where UA gear is central, providing a smooth, immersive recording environment with superior DSP integration. Comparing Cakewalk and Luna highlights distinct use cases. Cakewalk's free availability and Windows compatibility make it accessible for independent producers and home studios without hardware dependencies. It offers flexibility with third-party plugins and broad MIDI support, but lacks the hardware-accelerated DSP features found in Luna. Luna, on the other hand, delivers an unparalleled analog recording feel and ultra-low latency through its exclusive integration with Universal Audio hardware, ideal for professional studios focused on audio fidelity and workflow efficiency. However, Luna's macOS-only support and hardware requirement limit its accessibility. In real-world terms, Cakewalk suits users seeking a powerful, cost-effective DAW adaptable to various setups, while Luna is better for those invested in UA gear who prioritize sound quality and seamless hardware integration. The trade-off lies between hardware-centric premium sound and broad platform flexibility. Choose Cakewalk if you want a free, versatile DAW with extensive plugin support on Windows, perfect for flexible, budget-conscious music production. Opt for Luna if you use Universal Audio hardware and seek a premium, analog-inspired recording experience on macOS. Its tight hardware integration and DSP power make it ideal for professional studios focused on high-quality sound and efficient workflow.